Hi guys. Okay, so another look at some more armour that's just come in. This is from Ryefield Models this time. This is the Upgrade Solution series. This is part of the add-on series that they have for some of their armour. This particular one is the pipeline parts for the Tiger 1. So you see all the pipes and all the rest of it goes on the engine. I don't think the actual engine's included, but it's the pipe layout. This one's another one of their upgrade solutions. This is all sorts of etched metal and 3D resin parts or 3D printed parts to upgrade your Panther. And then there's also one for the Tiger. So you get all these bits and pieces, but you also get everything you see there. So this one doesn't have, oh yes it does, it does have a little bit of 3D printed. So there's etched metal in there. So if you want to upgrade your Tigers from them, you can do that. So that's quite good. They're all 35th scale, obviously. Also, this is their new Tiger 1 Offs E early production. Again, as you can see by the box, it's quite full. So there's a lot in it. But there's also separate link track. What else we got? Oh, and that's a box of 3D printed parts. So they're going to be using more and more of this. It's obviously a cheaper way of doing it, or an easier way of doing a standard kit with extra parts so that you can do different variants. So that's the Tiger. As you can see, there's quite a lot of bits and pieces about her. This one is the initial production North Africa front with full interior. So this one's got even more in it, as you can see by the side of the box there. So I think you might even get the Alsatian dog. So there you go. Apparently you do, because there you go. So that's a little bit of the layout of some of the parts. Again, 3D printed bits and pieces. Again, very, very full box. Quite a big box. All sorts of bits and pieces again in there. So track, hull. What do we got here? Oh, there's some more track. Separate link track, of course. So there's more than enough in that. That'll keep you busy. So that's their that's two of their Tigers. They've also released, and this is the Panzer 3J. So this is in their standard series. This has got full interior. So again, quite a lot of detail. Panzer 3. Doesn't appear to be any 3D printed parts in this one. So fairly straightforward. Again, nice big full box. Lots of bits and pieces. Bit of etched metal. Track. There's the hull. There's the turret sitting there. So again, nice big kit. Also from them is the Jag Panther G2. This is the full interior. Yeah, this is the full interior kit again. This is quite detailed, as you can see by the pictures on the side of the box. Very, very nice. So I'm glad I've been able to bring the armour model as something new this week, because we generally have mostly aircraft. So that's it for today. I will talk to you again soon. Take care.